Iyang o Kasililya. It is indeed an honor to be here today representing Pohnpei State Public Safety to talk to you about road safety rules. But first, I would like to thank our Heavenly Father for the gift of life, and my respect go out to our traditional leaders, government leaders, church leaders, and all of you good people in our beautiful island of Pohnpei. My name is Ronald Julius. I am a police sergeant with the Pohnpei State Department of Public Safety in charge of Traffic Enforcement Safety Unit. I would like to walk you through a little bit about road safety rules because people's safety on the roads is one of the most important aspects in order to avoid road accidents. Road accidents are not just driving vehicles, but sometimes human errors on the road cause road accidents. Every year, property damages are made, people get injured, and also people's lives are lost on the road. Most of these road accidents are caused by speeding, drunk driving, and carelessness, which is why rules are made to help in means of safe traveling. Sometimes we get pulled over from law enforcement officers, and these officers' focus is to reduce traffic-related accidents by enforcing traffic laws. Moreover, getting pulled over is nothing compared to a life saved. Traffic stops is just a proactive approach of preventing road accidents that might cause property damage, injury, or worse, death. Road safety rules number 1. Make it an habit if you are operating a motor vehicle. Make sure to always check your vehicle if it is safe for traveling and your documents for operating that vehicle is in your possession. As qualified drivers, it is your duty to keep your vehicles in safe mechanical condition and good working order as not to endanger yourselves, others, or properties. Number 2, always follow traffic signs. Traffic signs doesn't just tell you the speed limit or when to stop. Temporary signs like the signs around construction zones let you know that your normal route may be different or that you may be watch out for other people working. That is why we should always follow traffic signs and drive with caution and never assume that other motorists will do what they're supposed to do. Traffic signs manage traffic flow. Number 3, do not drink and drive. Alcohol sedating effects impairs a driver's decision-making skills and coordination, making it difficult to avoid accidents or perform routine driving maneuvers. It impairs judgment, reaction time, and self-control, all necessary skills for driving a vehicle. Drunk drivers endanger themselves and everyone on the road, increasing the risk of automobile crashes or death. Number 4, speeding. If you are passing a vehicle, ask yourself if it is necessary to pass. Sometimes you gain very little but expose yourself to big risks. Always check the traffic signs and do not gamble with curves for the speed of an approaching vehicle if you are planning to pass a vehicle. Number 5, if you are walking on the roads, always walk on the left side if sidewalks are not provided. Walking on the left side of the road will give you better view of the moving vehicles ahead of you. Sidewalks are designed for pedestrians to walk on, and it is illegal for any person operating a motor vehicle to drive on except upon a permanent or duly temporary driveway, provided that the driver of that vehicle emerging from or entering that driveway shall yield the right of way to any pedestrian approaching on any sidewalk. Ladies and gentlemen, our roads are made for economic development and for public use. Regardless of who we are, what government or tradition we're from, we are all equal under the law, and people's safety on the roads depends on how we use it. Thank you.